I just got three things to say. God bless our troops, God bless America, and gentlemen, start your engine!
Simple as my mama said when I was very young. She told me not to worry, son, one day you'll be someone. But here I am at 21, as loaded as a stagecoach shotgun. I'm sorry, mama, please don't look at me. When I got to Oklahoma, I was 17. My papa taught me how to work, and Lord, he was mean. Working all day in that August heat, and he taught me how to fish. My uncle taught me how to drink. Well, I went to California and I had me a band, and we played in all the bars and all the southern lands. We played all night and we drank for free, all of my boys and me. Now I'm 23 and there ain't nobody who can drink it like me. Soon I'll be 24 and the Lord knows that I can't drink no more. I know I should have taken it slow. It's not the way that my life goes. Now I know. When you're passed out on the floor, sober by 24. Well, I had a girl who loved me the whole damn time, and I drank my whiskey and she drank wine. Soon my bottle was too much to company. Yeah, we'd sit on the river and we'd fish all day, and we'd drive across the country, let the radio play. 7 damn years I never thought she'd leave. Now I'm 23 and there ain't nobody who can drink it like me. Soon I'll be 24 and the Lord knows that I can't drink no more. I know I should have taken it slow. It's not the way that my life goes. Lord, I know. When you're passed out on the floor, you're sober by 24. Simple as my mama said when I was very young. She told me not to worry, son, one day you'll be someone. But here I am at 21, loaded as a stagecoach shotgun. Sorry, mama, please don't look at me.
Hey everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. We are loading the truck up now with soybeans. So, yesterday, while I was flying back in from Canada from Aeroquip's Rise of the Rancher event, Dad and Travis decided to test run the combine, and turns out that the moisture was running anywhere between 11 and 13%, which right around 13 is right where you want it. So beans were running good, so they decided to fill everything up. Now, we don't know what it's yielding quite yet. They said it seems to be yielding pretty good. However, Andrew did a software update on the Ag Leader monitor, which reset all of our calibrations. So if they had just filled enough to put into the Brent cart and the Easy Trail and knew exactly how much a full load was, then we could have just used the semi for a calibration. But you have to think about that beforehand, before you even start, so you can get the monitor calibrating while you're harvesting. But so far it seems to be yielding all right. Since Andrew's coming down with his weigh wagon, we don't know quite yet what it's yielding, but I don't know, we're pretty optimistic. Travis is filling the back end of the semi up now with the Easy Trail. We're going to take this first load down to Dubuque, and I'm going to have plenty of time when I get back to kind of film or do anything else I want to. Soybeans, they typically yield low enough where I have a little bit of extra time in between loads, unless they're running really good. So I guess this might be the first true test to see what they're doing. Here at Rockville, this is our highest producing farm typically, but depending on yearly conditions, that can change, and this might be one of those years where we might see some higher yields in other places due to how spotty the rain was over the summer. But let's hop up on the truck and get ready to bring down our first load to Dubuque. It is unseasonably warm today. We're talking high 70s. It's a lovely day though. I got a goodie bag from Viterra. All right, let's see what we got. Water with fruit punch drink mix. Package of Oreos. Chips. And a Snickers bar. Thanks guys, appreciate it. Now you might be wondering, Ryan, why don't you use an impact? Let me show you. Doesn't work. So we had 1,019 bushels on, and where the heck they moved moisture to? Moisture is 11%. Test weight 56.57. Let's keep rolling. I just got back from the first load, and you can see the Brent cart's full already. Must be yielding pretty good. That's as far as they got all summer long on making their new fertilizer building. Still pushing their old one into the piles. It's gonna take a few years, I think. Andrew arrived with the weigh wagon, and we don't have any clear results yet. I'm gonna take one more load down to Dubuque since Viterra's open until 7 p.m. So if I leave now, I'm only gonna have time to get this load down. So there's not a whole lot of rush. I've got 45 minutes before I actually have to leave. So I was waiting for the weigh wagon to finish emptying. They're gonna do another calibration. We'll see what it's doing when we return. Heck, they might be done by the time we get back. Boy, I hope that isn't out of our combine. Well, it's officially end the video after dark time of year. So we got 4 loads hauled down today. We've got another partial load on the 46, and that's pretty much it for today. So I'm gonna take this back to the buildings. Travis is trying to figure out where that sieve came from because we can't see it poking our heads in from the side of the combine. Since it's just one piece, and I've looked in there before and seen the condition that a few of those are in. It really doesn't surprise me that one of them would have broke out. Shouldn't be that big of a deal to put those in, but I have no idea for sure. Depends on a few things, but it looks like one of the tabs on the end that hold it in place just broke off. So since I'm now mostly recovered from my surgery, I'm going to be posting again 3 days a week, Monday, Friday, and Sunday at 11 a.m. Central. So be sure to check back at those times for our latest video, and yeah, we'll go from here. But so far the yields are looking pretty good. By Travis's math, he said that this place is running roughly 70 bushels to the acre, which is really good, at least to us. And I'm excited to see how the other fields perform. Hopefully, you know, everything is at least that. So with that, thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat. All how farms work. And with that, I'll see you next time.